Welcome to this tutorial on how to install the membership module. The module is emailed to the address provided when you completed the non-disclosure agreement. If you have not completed the non-disclosure agreement, call National Headquarters at 636-724-2227. The membership module and data cannot be sent unless a completed copy is on file. Now remember, Microsoft Access must be installed on your system to use the module. For the purpose of this tutorial, we created a Gmail email account for Robert. Let's take a look at Robert's email now. We can see the Division Membership module has been received. To download the file, simply left-click the paperclip. Left-click the download arrow and open the file. We will now select the Division Membership module and extract. We are prompted for a destination to place the file. We would like to place the file on our desktop, so let's browse to our desktop. Simply left-click the Browse button. We will navigate to our desktop, select the desktop, select Folder, and extract. The module has now been extracted to our desktop. Let's close our email and take a look. We can now see the Division Membership module has been extracted and is on our desktop. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial video. In our next tutorial, we will download the data and import the data file into the membership module.